안녕하세요. 림페시 Singapore. 남자입니다. 네, 안녕하세요, 여러분들. So here I am in Istanbul in a lovely Japanese style restaurant in Istanbul, having some. In Korea, we call this kimbap. Okay, but they call it sushi roll here, and some poke bowl. This very beautiful establishment. There's a boss. And yes, let's set this up. Okay, so do I believe in intermittent fasting, right? Now I'm 45 years old this year, okay, and I look like this. So a lot of people come to me for anti-aging tips, right? In fact, my channel is more known for anti-aging tips more than anything else. So do I believe in intermittent fasting in order to do this? Well, the truth is this: I don't believe in intermittent fasting. Why? Because intermittent fasting to me is not a belief, it's a lifestyle. It's something that I have been doing naturally over the many years. What do I mean? In fact, look at this. This is about 2 p.m. and this is my first and final meal of the day. Yes, I eat one meal a day right now at this age. So effectively, I'm doing a 24 hours intermittent fasting by eating one meal a day like this, right? Now how do I get to this stage? It was very natural for me. Now, whenever I'm in an inactive cycle, meaning I'm not actively training in any martial arts, and you guys know I train in martial arts. Over the past few months, I've been training in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So when I train in martial arts, I eat 3 times a day, 100%, because I train all day. I train full time, okay? I'm not a part-timer when it comes to martial arts. But whenever I get off my training, I eat only one meal a day. And it came from a very long history. Like when I was 20 plus years old, I ate 3 meals a day, normal. But when I came to become like 30, in my 30s, I started eating only 2 meals a day, lunch and dinner. And then when I'm right now in my mid-40s, I eat only 1 meal a day when I do not need additional energy in the form of martial arts or anything. So to me, this is a very natural thing, and I listen to my body for it. I don't have to force myself into a kind of intermittent fasting or a kind of like a forced kind of thing where you feel uncomfortable and you're fighting your body all the time. No, to me, it's not like that. To me, in fact, today, I don't even feel hungry for this one meal. So, to me, intermittent fasting is a very natural thing. I don't have to believe in it, because you don't have to believe in it, you only have to listen to your body. When you need more energy, you eat more. When you need less energy, you eat less. And from what I observe of myself, I found that as your age progresses into your 30s and into your 40s, you naturally decrease the number of meals that you eat. And so you naturally adopt intermittent fasting. It's not something you have to believe in. It's not something that you have to force yourself to do. That's in my experience. How about you guys? And in my observation, whenever I was in a cycle of non-intermittent fasting, like when I'm in a cycle of training and I eat like 3 times a day, my skin becomes really bad. I get like freckles and random discolorations and a lot of problems with my skin. See, I look a little bit eye baggage today because I just woke up, okay? Yes, I slept to 1 p.m. And I get a lot of skin problem, and my skin there's no glow in my skin when I eat 3 meals a day due to my training regime. But whenever I switch back to 1 meal a day, look at that, my skin becomes glowing, it becomes clear. Basically, my skin condition improves a lot when I go back to just 1 meal a day, and I don't have to force it to happen. To me, it's natural because my body doesn't feel hungry, doesn't need that amount of energy, doesn't feel hungry, and I just go with what my body wants, right? So that's my experience so far. What about you guys? Do you do intermittent fasting? And if is intermittent fasting a kind of like a battle or fight for you? Share me in the comments below. See you guys next time. I'm gonna eat now. じゃあ、もう消すみだ。いただきます。안녕.